muyiga boko moine anyagusira Raila Odinga yokolekana se University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga elioko mwa Esiko yaye yomoelio Eamate abairi abasani naboigo abaraya mona abananchi nigo baikirana elikumulera Raila Odinga Eamate anyagusira umusikira Raila Odinga nigo litkolia lero ya mwa Esiko yomoelio ase omurugioye mama Ida Odinga yorkanite koba omolemu nonya olenge na mayanda mange nigo amwiraniria mbiamo no murai wense Dr. William Ruto asoko mwa eskenene umusikira Raila Odinga nabo igo kubabwatesia kweneke na Raila kweni gwale na masikani mulikito dena ndemo niga twaliganiria roboti ra senchira yobwagale
gatigati yegesunte kya mariga Eamate Raila Odinga nigo yairalibaga kumunyura omwanchiobo oyomo asoyomo omunyura Raila Odinga nobogima bwaye asenka.
For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba.
Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas. He also helps us to think broadly and find solutions and to work with others.
Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. The king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Emiaka ya bwango yenyoma ya Raila Odinga nigo yabe kwateneni no mumuro mwabo Dr. Oburu Odinga. Omwancho Raila Odinga oyobono oromotakanwa mama Ida Odinga niga kyobolemu na kwerera buna obogima bwaye bwokoba omurugi bwenka no mwanchi bo mwanasiasa bware.
Raila has been my husband for the last 52 years. Many of you who are here are younger than 52 years. You could easily have been our children. Like all the couples and families, we also had our ups and downs. But we've learned one thing, and that is we must talk straight to one another. We must forgive and move on. I know most of the time we used to say, Raila is more of public life, political life, than he is for family life. But every time he came, he gave us what we deserved.
Ruto Odinga nigaira libaga no nyana bokurwa ebirengero byaye bya siasa asekiama kia ODM.
And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong.
No nyara Odinga orule obogatagati bya matiyaye. Korende otigire ebikoro ya matiyaye etatebiri etebe. Litkolia ankyo akerotogo chengera litkolia mashujade. Litkolia kubanyora abanyangongo imensi ya Kenya. Tumonyole Raila Odinga puno munyangongo nabaigo oanjite abantu baye nense ya Kenya. Ginkolipoteria egetaseni Esiko TV, Eritariane, Diana, Ndem.